Tom, let's start with you at GSA. You're sort of looking at it from the top, looking across the superstructure. Well, what do you see out there? Give us a state of the state, if you will.
Sure, Luke, thanks for having me, by the way. I think the message of the day is we want to continue to reduce the data center inventory. Building, maintaining, and operating a data center is an expensive proposition. And data centers are energy-intensive facilities, 10 to 100 times more than any office space. And the constant surging for compute has been challenging to meet. The power and cooling constraints of existing facilities and frankly our budget cycles for the year-end surge of purchasing compute is just not efficient and reduces the use of shared service. And finally, there's always restriction or friction between the data center operators and the facility owners, which doesn't generally benefit the tenants at all. But on a good note, of the 24 CFO Act agencies, 12 have met their closure goals. We have 2 of them here today, DHS and DOJ. They're, I consider, gold standards in this regard. In fact, 10 of those agencies have 0 data centers in their inventory. They are entirely in shared service data centers or commercial facilities or cloud. We're down to 512 data centers in the federal government. We've closed 617. And all of this data can be found and more at itdashboard.gov, where the public has access to our data, as well as GAO uses it for the FITARA scorecard. And finally, we're still operating under an OMB memo for an extension of the data center optimization initiative till 2022. And data center closure should remain the agency's primary priority.